The wind whistles through the window, and outside, the world is a chilly blue-gray. Trees stand bare, reaching into the early night sky. It's the kind of evening for warm socks and a hot mug of tea. Your breath hangs in the air, and the cold settles deep. On nights like this, you crave something more than a salad or sandwich. You want food that feels like a hug, something hearty and comforting. My mind drifts to the kitchen bubbling pots, delicious smells, and warmth filling every corner. The kitchen becomes a glowing haven against the frost. What we need is a plan, a delicious one. Then it hits me, chili. The perfect dish for a night like this. Hearty, warm, and full of flavor, chili is pure happiness in a bowl. Tonight, we'll chase away the cold with a magnificent pot of chili. The quest for comfort begins right in my own kitchen. Let's get started. Why chili? It's a superhero in a bowl, warming you from the inside out. Each spoonful brings gentle heat like a woolly jumper for your soul. The spices wake you up, perfect for a world gone cold. Every ingredient plays a role. Beans are the heroes, meat or veg the stars, spices the plot twists. Chili is endlessly adaptable, fiery or mild, always forgiving. Best of all, it's a one-pot wonder, bubbling away while flavors mingle. The kitchen fills with a welcoming aroma, making the house feel like home. Chili feeds a crowd and tastes even better the next day. It's practical, magical, and the perfect meal for a frosty night. Let's make some. Aprons on. Time to gather our chili team. Chop an onion and garlic. If you like, grab beef mince, or go veggie with beans, mushrooms, and peppers. You'll need chopped tomatoes and kidney beans, rinsed and ready. Heat oil in a big pot, soften the onion, then add garlic and mince, or veg. Brown everything, then add chili powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. Toast the spices for a minute to release their aroma. Pour in tomatoes and beans, stir well, add a splash of water or stock if needed. Turn the heat low, lid on, and let it simmer for at least an hour. The long, slow cook is the secret to a great chili. Now, relax and let the magic happen. The kitchen fills with promise. Soon, comfort will be ready. That's the joy of chili. Lift the lid. Our chili is a bubbling, rich, red masterpiece. Kidney beans and peppers add pops of color. The aroma is heavenly sweet tomatoes, earthy cumin, and a gentle chili kick. It's thick and hearty, with a satisfying texture from beans and mince or mushrooms. The sauce coats every bite, making each spoonful a delight. Want it healthier? Use lean mince or pack in extra beans and veggies. Carrots, celery, or courgettes melt into the sauce, adding goodness. It's a sneaky way to eat more vegetables. This chili isn't just comforting, it's nourishing too. Food that loves you back, ready to serve. The chili's ready, and the house is filled with its welcoming scent. Ladle it into deep bowls. The sound alone is comforting. Top with sour cream, cheese, tortilla chips, or fresh coriander. Everyone gets to choose. Around the table, the cold outside melts away. Laughter and conversation fill the room, warming hearts as much as the chili warms bellies. Sharing a meal like this turns an ordinary night into a special memory. The real secret of chili isn't just the recipe, it's togetherness. Creating and sharing something wonderful brings us closer. On the coldest nights, a bubbling pot of chili is a reminder. We can make our own warmth. That's the magic of comfort food. Enjoy every spoonful.